Hi everyone, this is Roman Buha, and today I am very excited to make an announcement. Today I'm launching my first online course, which I call Kitchen Renovation in Archicad, where I'll be sharing with you how to work on a kitchen design project. This course consists of 20 videos. Each of them is around 30 minutes, making the total course of about 10 hours of content. The final deliverable will be a schematic design PDF set, which I will briefly show you now. There are 5 pages total, a cover sheet, which includes a photorealistic rendering, which we will create with AI tools, a floor plan with dimensions and annotations, 2 sheets of interior elevations with all the labels and dimensions, as well as cabinet and appliances schedules with the interactive color-coded 3D diagram that works together. Let me also show you the study portal. This is how the course will look like when you enroll. You will have all the videos and chapters listed on the left menu here, so you can switch easily in between them, as well as asking questions in the discussions section in this right upper corner over here. I consider this a beginner intermediate course, and I will leave a link with more detailed information in the description below this video. You are welcome to check it out, and please let me know if you will have any questions. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you success with your Archicad projects. Bye.